Hello, so this is another video just to help you navigate through Canvas and just to help you for Monday. So their page is going to look a little bit different. Your child's page is going to look a little different on Canvas. So if you see extra tabs, don't worry about it. I've tried to make it as simple as I can. So when they go to their home page, this is what it should look like, right? So let's go ahead and click on for Monday. If it comes up and it asks for an authorize at the bottom and it doesn't pull up the slide right away, just click authorize, make sure that they're logged into their Google account, and it will allow it to pull it up when you click on it. Alright, so same layout. It's the ELA, so you have these videos for them to watch. Alright. It has the activities listed, and it'll tell you whether or not to go to Seesaw. Alright, Math has the videos for you to watch again. And then it has the activity. It says to go to Seesaw. Science. Okay, you can just scroll through what science says. Has a video for them to watch. So this one's a little bit different. It says, what are things scientists can do? Then it says, click on the picture and it will take you to discussion in Canvas. Please record yourself. So this is a discussion that the kids are going to do. It's as part of their activities for Monday. So if you click on the picture, it should take them right to the activity. Okay, the discussion. It says record a video of yourself telling us what are some things scientists do. Okay, so then we're going to, well, I'm in student view, right? Or I'm in teacher view right now, so I'll go to student view in just a little bit. But if you click on the picture, again, it should take you to the discussion. All right. And then let's keep scrolling. All right, and then it has the activities for them to do as well. Okay, so I've separated by a subject. Okay, ELA, math, and science. All right.
Let's be scientists.
I hope this helps a little bit. And then again, if it tells you to go to Seesaw, just go to Seesaw, and I'll have the assignments listed in there.